Hey everyone, it's Tammeron, a spiritual guide, founder of Tammeron's Place, a retreat for spiritual growth. And this little video, I thought I would quickly do this before I do my weekly 222 two-card reading, my tea and tarot reading, because I just got in the door and I'm ready to have some lunch. And I've had my dehydrators going for the last couple of weeks and pulling out my old recipes from my old business in Southern Ontario. And this is the perfect time of year when I love to make a lot of my raw vegan recipes. This is one of my all-time faves, and I've been giving it out as little samples and little meals to some people that I've been collaborating with locally here in Thunder Bay. And I just thought I would share this with you because I definitely know my intuition is telling me this is definitely going to be something on the menu that people will love and enjoy during the warmer months here in Northern Ontario for my daily retreats or even for my 1 or 2 day events. So here we go. We are replacing the bun with a fresh colored leaf that's already been washed. I've peeled off the heavy part of the stem so that it's a little bit more malleable. All right, so this is what we replace the gluten with for the burger. Then I've actually created in my dehydrator a meatless burger made from sunflower seeds, which I've sprouted, and I've added some fresh veggies. They've all been ground together in the food processor and thrown in my dehydrator for about 8 hours. So it literally looks like a meatless burger patty. So it's got some flavor to it as well. There's a little bit of cashews in there too. So what we do is, I'm going to show you, we're going to throw the patty on there. Okay. And I'm going to put this down for a minute. Well, actually, I can probably do this with 2 hands. My next secret ingredient, I'll show you guys here. Look at that, is my raw vegan creamy cashew garlic sauce. So again, I've sprouted the cashews to activate the enzymes in it. So again, your body can digest it a little bit better. I've added a few secret ingredients, and I've added some fresh Canadian garlic. Then, so there's no cheese or dairy. Then I've whipped up a batch of my summer salsa recipe. I've drained out a lot of the juice so that I'm just basically getting the flavors of the tomato and the peppers and the onions. And there's actually 2 secret ingredients in my salsa that I'll be sharing in my recipes, okay? And the last ingredient to make this, give it the wow, that extra little kick, is, show you, some fresh sprouts. All right, so these are onion sprouts. I've purchased them at the local store because unfortunately my sprouts that I started aren't quite ready yet. So here we go. This is one of my favorite raw vegan lunches, okay? So it's a meatless vegan burger. No dairy, no meat. So we're just going to flip the bun, flip the leaves, wrap it up, put it together like this. Some people need a toothpick, a wooden toothpick. We're going to hold it. I'm going to get my plate. And here we go. We're going to have this for lunch on one of my retreats. Messy, eat it with your hands, made with love, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Who wants to come and join me at one of my retreats and try one of my famous raw vegan burgers? Hope you're going to come out. See you soon. Bye-bye.